Hi and hello again from Macking domain. We have another product preview today, and with me is Yokti and I'm Tu.
Today we are going to showcase the OWC product, the Mercury Helios S3. This is a Thunderbolt 3 chassis. Let me unbox this. Okay, so this is the box. This is the unit. Inside the unit, you have a few items. Let me put this away. You have a box. You have the power supply. You have power cord, power supply, and also Thunderbolt 3 cable. Alright. And when you open this, so you get to see what is inside here.
So while you're opening this, can you sort of explain a bit what exactly is this?
Yeah. This is like for example nowadays the laptops, when you go out for a job or things like that, you will find it you need to do an expansion. Like for example, you need to put in a Blackmagic card or AJ card or any other video card. We even have clients who use a Bluefish card. We also have people who put in the 10 gig network card. We have people to put in the older Thunderbolt, older USB card. Some of the device that you need a USB card, but you don't have any more USB, so you put it in. And you can literally put in quite a lot of cards here. And you can see here there's two screws. I'll open up the unit so that you get to know what is this. So this is where we can put in a PCIe card.
I see.
So you unscrew this, you can slot in the PCIe card with the fan here. You can see there's fan here, and the airflow as well from here. The fan blow, the airflow. So you put in the cards, and you have the Thunderbolt connection out to your laptop, and then you can expand your so-called expansion slot accordingly.
I see. So looking at this, I foresee it being very useful to laptop users, right?
Yes.
So do you have any examples from past client inquiry?
We have a client who uses a Bluefish card. They are doing jobs where they require to travel.
I see.
Because they work with the TV station. So with the TV stations, at first they were contemplating. I said, well, can this box work? I said, well, you have to try. So we sent it to them for testing for 2 months, and they loved it. They said this is very small, compact, and affordable. And then they decided to buy like 2 units.
I see.
And lately I heard from them they are thinking of getting another 1 or 2 more units. So we have another customer which is doing Petronas testing equipment. So they have to develop their own SDK. So when they want to develop their own SDK, they are facing a bit of problem. So we told them that this box can use, and they can actually test it out. It should work for them. And after a long chat, they are going to come back to us to do testing on this particular product.
So it sounds to me like this is not just for content creators or video producers, right? This works with and potentially any PCI cards out there.
Yes. Whoever has a limitations on their laptop or their PC, then of course you must have a Thunderbolt 3 card. Of course, right. Thunderbolt 3 slot. So they can actually put in the Thunderbolt 3 connector, and then to put in whatever cards that they want to put it in.
I see.
Yeah, but not the GPU. GPU is a different box.
I see.
Yeah, because the GPU requires a bigger power supply.
Alright.
Yeah.
So, if I understand correctly, apart from getting the drivers from the PCI card itself, whatever card they put in, this should just be a plug and play, right?
Yes, because it's a Thunderbolt device. As long as there is a Thunderbolt port in your Mac or your Windows, you should be able to run.
I see.
All you need to do is to put in your cards, like for example Black Magic cards or AJA cards or Bluefish card or whatever other cards, A2 cards or Arica cards. You can put in those cards and then you download the driver for the cards and you should run.
I see. Sounds very convenient.
Yeah.
So roughly how much would this cost?
This is about 1,280 landed in Malaysia.
I see. Sounds it's actually pretty affordable.
Yeah.
As far as PCI solutions go.
Some people, they have their older cards. I do not know what are the older cards. They ask whether the oldest card can be reused from their like 2010 kind of age. I say, well, as long as they are ready for Thunderbolt chips, then should be okay. If not, then we have to test it out.
I see. And for that matter, if you would like to test it out, we here at Macking Domain are more than happy to let you have a run with the products, right?
Yeah.
So feel free to get in touch with us if you like a demo of this unit, or if you have any other questions, you can contact us or look for more information on our website, mackingdomain.com.
Yep.
Right. So that's it from us today, and we look forward to hear from you. Bye.
See you.